kids, today we're going to be learning about mean, mode, median, and range. Mean is the sum of the numbers divided by addends. You may don't know what does addends mean, and what he meant was these numbers, counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, but first we must plus them out, equals to 450. And then we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we got 5s. 5 is going to be our divider, and 450 will be used to divide. So we're gonna, so we divide by 9 because 5 times 9 equals 45. So we minus 45 equals to 0, but it's not enough. So how is it possible? It's just going to be equals to 9 is so 45. So we're going to put this 0 up to here. Then we have our answer 90. Mode is going to be our question. So.
Positive median.
But I will explain what does mode mean. Mode is the number that occurs most often. With no, I meant like
most common.
Most common.
Okay. Positive median.
Okay, now we're going to be passing to the median. Okay, median is the middle number of a set that is in a numerical order. I meant like this.
First we
put these in numerical order, smallest to the biggest. Then we can find our middle. And range is the difference between the greatest and last number. He meant like the biggest number and the smallest number. Minus together equals to the answer of the range. Have a nice day.